Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to be showing you how to predict the next candle using Candlestick Psychology. And I hope you got value from my previous video. And at the same time, if it's your first time on my channel, do want to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can always get notified when I upload my next video. Okay, so but before we get started, we currently have a Facebook page called Kenyan Trading Tips. If you have not liked and followed that page, please do well, because you're going to be getting daily and weekly trading tips from me and how to become profitable in the market. Some trade explanations that can help you in your trading. Okay, so let's get started. It's a new week, it's a fresh week. Currently, we'll be looking at AD card. So far, we are seeing the market come down strongly, but now we are seeing some buyer's entry, and maybe the market wants to start retracing higher. But the full trend here is a downtrend. So maybe this retracement we are seeing might be coming for this level here. The market might be coming for this level, and then maybe when it hits this level, it can start coming down. Or maybe from this round number, if we close above this level, then we know that maybe it's going higher. But from this level probably, or this round number, it can start coming down. So this is what we are expecting for the market. And then we are seeing some good buyers entry and some rejections from sellers. So if we can get a good entry point, okay, we'll place our trade on the next candle. Place my trade on the next candlestick. So this is the level we are aiming for. Yeah, this is the level we are aiming for. And we are seeing some reactions from buyers to reach forth that level. Okay, we are getting some good rejections from sellers here. So we might still be going with buyers. Okay, good entry point. I place a higher option here because I'm seeing some good buyers entry, and they're expecting the market to go higher. So from this level, we might see some rejections, and we are expecting a green candlestick here. Okay, let's see how the close of this candle. Okay, we have a few seconds more. Okay, very good. That was an ITM. I want that trade. So let's wait for the next candle. Then we can place our trade. We saw some rejections and some reactions from sellers on this candle. So let's observe very well before I can place the next trade. Okay, we are still seeing more buyers entry, but there are still some rejections on this candle. Strong rejection. Okay, so many rejections on this candle, but this is a very strong candle. Wow. Buyers enter strongly. But I might still go with sellers. Yeah, I might still go with sellers on this candle, because during this candle we saw so many rejections, so many sellers entry, and because of that the market maybe might retrace a little for 1 minute and then continue to the level we are expecting. So this is what I'm expecting for this market. Okay, let's see the close of the candle. Okay, the market actually moved fast. I think I'll go with sellers again. So the buyers entered here, but we still saw some good rejections on this bullish candle. So maybe now sellers might want to enter again for 1 minute. Most of the time when you place a trade and it doesn't work out but you're very confident, I can advise you to go with it again, because sometimes this market might be funny. When you want the trade to go in your direction, it will give you an OTM and at the end you see a huge candle. So I think that's what's happening here. The candle is definitely going to be a red candle, a huge one. Okay, I want that trade. You can see it. After I placed a lower option here, they failed, but I know that that was just market trap, and I went with it again and I won that trade. So let's look out for the next candle, then we can place the next trade. Okay, I know the market is aiming for this level here. Okay, buyers are coming in. We are still getting some rejections from sellers. Okay, I'll still go with okay, I think the market tricked me here. I missed this trade because of fast movement. I thought sellers wanted to bring the market down, but you can see the market is still going higher to meet that level. Okay, no problem. This market is really moving fast, so you have to be careful so that you can get some good entry points before you place your trade. The sellers are coming in strongly. I think I'll still go with buyers. Oh, fast momentum. Okay, I place a higher option here because the market is aiming for this level like we predicted at the start, and we are seeing some good candlestick from buyers. So I think the market is still trying to reach out for that level. So I think buyers is going to continue the market till the market gets to that level. Okay, you can see it. The market is reaching there. Perfect. The market has gotten to that level. So let's wait and see what will happen. Like I said, the market will start. The market might start coming down from this level directly, or you might see some little bias entry, maybe from this round number, or maybe around this level, around this area, the market will still come down. So this is what we are expecting now for the market. Currently we are seeing some strong sellers entry, but let's be patient and we place our trade on the next candlestick. Very strong sellers entry now, very strong one, very strong sellers entry. I think the market wants to start coming down already. Okay, strong sellers entry on this candle with some little rejection. So I'm sure sellers should bring the market down, but I would have loved to get a good entry point on this trade. But as you can see, sellers brought the market down speedily. So no need to rush. If the market doesn't give you what you're looking for, it might still give you on the next opportunity. So no need to rush trying to trade impulsively. You have to be patient and learn to observe the market. So you can see currently, as we predicted, you can see our analysis came to fruition. From the level I drew, you can see the reactions from sellers, and the market is coming down heavily. The market is coming down heavily. Okay, we could still go with sellers again. I place a lower option here because we are seeing more sellers entry, very strong. So I think sellers might want to still form maybe a weak candle here, maybe a little red candle, and the market should form a red candlestick there. Okay, let's see the close of the candle. Okay, perfect. The market is coming down heavily. Okay, we have a few seconds more. Okay, very good. You can see that was a good win, an ITM. So a quick recap. This was the first trade. Because of this strong bias entry here, after we saw bias movement, I placed a higher option, and I won that trade with a good entry point. And here, because of the so many rejections we saw on this current candle, I was able to place a lower option, but the market gave a green candlestick there with some more rejections again. So I knew that sellers are going to enter on the next candle. That's why I followed it, because it was very clear that sellers were present in the market, and we won that trade a lower option. And here I placed a higher option because we saw some good bias movements in the market. Here we had fast movement, so we couldn't place our trade, but on this one I think we got the best entry point because we were aiming for this level. We analyzed at the start that the market is going to reach for this level before it starts coming down. And here on the last trade, after the quick seller's entry, exactly from the level, the market just tipped that level. You can see very accurate. I can prove to you that the market is not random. If you understand the market, you can analyze it. So from there, just as we expected and we predicted, the market started coming down heavily, and I joined the trend, and I placed a lower option here, and I won that trade smoothly. And you can see maybe we might get some little consolidation here, then the market can still continue coming down. You can see it very clear and very pure. If you are losing or you don't understand the market, do want to contact me. My contact details are below, and I'm going to open you up on how to understand the market movements like this. Okay, hope this video was helpful. Do want to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can always get notified when I upload my next video. I upload videos every week, at least 3 to 4 times. I guess you don't want to miss any of them. Till next time, I wish you good luck and good trading.